You can access our AI writer by clicking the left navigation link, and we've made AI really easy to use. You don't need to learn all of these sophisticated prompts. All you need to do is just answer from a field of questions to generate amazing output. This can write things like social media posts. It can even write your campaign headings, all of the body copy of your campaigns, even the emails that are triggered within our campaigns. You'll need to speak to your account manager if you don't have access to the premium modules. If it says premium and it's red, that means you don't have access. If it's green, that means you do have access. So setting up the AI writer is very simple. You'll notice that when you hover over here, it's going to remind you unblock pop-ups after clicking. And that's very important, and I'll show you what happens here when this is engaged. So when you click Start Writing, I'm going to have to resize this because I have a giant monitor, and I want you to see everything. So if nothing pops up here at all, that means that you do have a pop-up blocker, and up here in your address field, right here, over here on the right, depending on which browser you're using, there should be some sort of a pop-up block icon that appears. Just click that and it will give you the option to allow always. Please do that, and then anytime you use the AI writer in the future, it will not block the window. In some browsers, it's over here on the left, but it's always in the address bar, and you will be notified if it's blocked. So I'm going to bring back the window. So this is your setup window. It's going to give you a really quick video to explain how to get it set up, but I'm going to show you here as well. Step one is to launch ChatGPT. You are able to use Google Gemini and AI from Claude 3 as well. So I'm going to check the box here to agree, and then I'm going to launch ChatGPT. So notice how this launches to the right. Now we have both the chatbot in the right side, and we also have the guide on the left side. So I'm going to reposition this. It should be positioned perfectly in yours, but I'm on a giant monitor, so it's not. So basically what's going to happen here is you are going to get a field of options here on the left, and it's going to walk you through, and finally you'll be given a perfect prompt to paste into your ChatGPT prompt on the right. If you don't see this, it means you don't have an account yet. It's very easy to sign in and create a new account, and it's totally free. You'll also notice that at the very top right, if you don't like ChatGPT, you can use Google Gemini or Claude, and it will launch those to the right. And you'll be able to change your default provider as well. So I'm going to say done. Let's start writing. If you don't see this to the right, that means it probably blocked your pop-up. You're going to want to go to the address bar and make sure it allows it always. And then you'll never have to worry about it again. So I'm going to say done. Let's start writing. First thing you need to do is create a company profile. This is one of the great things about this program is you can enter your company profile once, and every time you use the AI writer in the future, it's going to know everything about your business, so you don't need to repeat yourself. It's also going to give you results that are really personalized for your specific business and industry. So what I'm going to choose here is real estate. Describe my product. This is something that you can probably grab from your website, from your About Us page. But you just want to get as detailed as you can, and within a few sentences, we provide buyer and seller assistance for residential home purchasing or purchases. Describe your target customer, middle class families. Do you have a physical location or specific service area? I'm going to say yes. And let's say Orange County, California. What is your primary call to action? I'm going to say visit our website at www.orange.com. countyhomes.com. This is a fictitious company. And what is your brand voice? So here is where you can select what your current brand voice is. We want to write for you in the way that you currently write. So I'm going to say professional, yet friendly, and also conversational. Which AI chatbot should we load by default? And ChatGPT is selected, but you can choose any of these others. And if there's an additional one, like Facebook has a decent one now, you could check other and then enter the URL of that particular chatbot. And I'm going to click Save. So I'll never need to do that again. But if I ever want to go and edit that, you can do that by clicking up here in the company profile where the gear icon is. That's how you set up your AI writer. There will be other videos on how to create AI articles and blog posts and social media posts and things like that.